Welcome to Atlanta Tower. I'm going to explain the market index for this 6 months. Firstly, I would like to explain the occupancy index from June year 4 at 109, and it increased from August to September at 111, and it dropped again to 106, but it is also over the baseline. After that, we got the peak in terms of occupancy index at 130 in November for this half year, but it dropped again to 105 in December. As for ADR index, we start from 105 and it kept kindly stable till August, and dropped below the baseline at 83 in September. We get it back to 93 in October. Then it decreased again to the low at 76, and it increased to 93 in the end of year 4. For RevPAR index, it increased from June till 105 in July, then it started dropping below the baseline at 94 in September, and it raised to the baseline and dropped again till 87 in November, and it increased to 98 in the end of year 4. Now the situation is quite changeable, and what we can do is get all the index, get back like last time and get more profit from it.
Now I'm talking about the revenue and the profits. First, the profit is lower in November and the highest in August. And we can see from online the GOP and the total revenue is not stable. From July to September, they are basically high, and from October to December, the total revenue is basically not good as the first from July to September. And what we need to do is control our expense and to make more revenues and try to keep the best occupancy. And that's it.
In terms of room summary, June was the highest in terms of total revenue per available room, 196.96, 159.8 was a ADR, 131.08 was a RevPAR. Then between August and September, we had a mild climb and dip, and then we fluctuated between 123 to 141.57 ADR overall, but in the last 4 to 3 months. And we have been trying to recover our total RevPAR because it dropped from 165 and it's almost stabilizing around 100, between 135. We would like to restore at 290 at least. In terms of revenue mix, from June onwards, our business standard picked up, then leisure premium contributed a bit, but leisure standard was our savior in July and August, and then business standard again picked up in September, October, and then leisure standard helped us gain the maximum revenue traction almost by 45% in the room mix, and business standard is at 27.8 for December. Overall, we hope to improve our revenue mix in all the segments to optimize revenue.
On July, we had $200.3 per room, and the average price was $185 by the 1+1 hotel. And in August, we reached the highest price of $200.3, and 1+1 was having the same price. September, 1+1 had the lowest price, and we had the highest, the same like the previous month. And in October, AB Hotel reached the highest price per room, 186, and we got the lowest, 174. In November, our prices were the highest, and the lowest price was given by 1+1 hotel. And in December, price per room was the highest by AB Hotel, $186, and Atlanta Tower has 174.